What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Netsec Explained, and in this video, we're going to be talking about burnout. Burnout? What the hell does burnout have to do with network security? Everything. Let me explain. Look, it's no secret that network security is hard. It's demanding. And for many of us, we'll run through burnout not just once, but several times in our career. In fact, I would say it's not a matter of if, but a matter of when. And when you experience burnout, I want to equip you with the tools to take care of yourself properly. By the end of this video, you're going to have a better understanding of what burnout is, and I'm going to give you my top 5 tips on how to keep it under control. So, let's get started. First, what the heck even is burnout? Burnout is that chronic stage of physical and emotional exhaustion. There's probably a couple days where you're feeling completely disconnected from your work. Think of your energy as a battery, and burnout means that you're running on low and you need to recharge. And that brings me to tip number 1. Learn how to recognize burnout. Now, I know some of you are, oh, I'm a toughie, I can take it. Relax. Burnout doesn't mean you're weak. It just means that you've been running for too hard, too long, and you need a break. Listen to your body. Okay, fine. I have burnout. What do I do about it? I'm glad you asked. Tip number 2. Look at your environment. Try to find what it is that's causing you stress. Sometimes this can be demands placed on you. Maybe you've been given too much to do at work. Or maybe there's something in your home life that's causing you extra stress. Other times, it can even be holding yourself to too high of a standard. For instance, I take great pride in my work, and because of that, I tend to take on too much for myself. And so this is where I need to be honest and say, it's me, hi, I'm the problem, it's me, and go a little slower. I'm so dumb. Why did I even do that? Why did I even do that? I don't even know. I'm a goofball. What's next? Tip number 3, get some support. Back in the day, coal miners used to carry a canary with them down into the coal mines. And as soon as they sensed toxic gas, the canary would die and the miner would know to get out of there. So for you, think of burnout as being your canary in the coal mine. Now, this is important. Don't go back to the mines. It means that you're in a toxic environment, and stepping away for a moment, taking a week or 2 weeks of vacation, and then coming back to the same toxic environment isn't going to cure your burnout. Instead, this is a sign that there's a problem with your environment, so you need to change it. And one of the best ways to change it is to get some support. I'm sure many of you already have a coworker or a partner in mind that can take on some of the more stressful parts of your job. You should also have an open discussion with your manager to take some things off your plate if you're overloaded. After all, they're measured by how much you're working, and if you're burnt out, you're not working. So it's a win-win. Tip number 4, learn how to set healthy boundaries. Now, this one's crucial because if we clear up your burnout, but you don't set healthy boundaries, then you're just going to go right back to where you were before. It's okay to say no sometimes. I'll repeat that. It's okay to say no. Mark off time in your calendar for when you're unavailable and make it clear to people that they should not expect you to reply outside of office hours. Because if you don't set these boundaries, nobody else is going to do it for you. Finally, tip number 5, prioritize yourself. Now, I know it's cliche, but a friend of mine once said, the only constant in life is you. So take care of yourself, dummy. And I think about that a lot. So if you need a break, take a break. Do more of the things in your life that bring you joy. And this one I struggle with the most, get better sleep. It helps a lot. So there you go. My top 5 tips on how to handle burnout. It can be tough, but with the right strategies in place, you can keep it under control. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you've experienced burnout, or you have some tips that you'd like to share, drop them in the comments down below. I want us to be able to support each other. If you like this video, let me know by leaving a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this. Stay safe, stay passionate, and I'll see you next time. Hey, thanks for sticking to the end of this video. This is a new format that I wanted to play around with, so let me know what you think. Now, burnout is a topic that I've been dwelling on lately. In fact, I'm in the middle of a career break, and a large part of that is because I burnt out. And it took about 3 months to recover. Now, I'm feeling much better, but I just wanted to be transparent, because if I'm going through this, maybe some of you are too. Anyways, thanks for watching. I love your faces, and I'll see you next time.